What I go tell my father to do?
Oh, say nigga. Ole. Wetin happen now? I dey give you wetin happen now? Why you dey cry?
You see me, they cry, see they beat me.
You be small pikin. Wetin happen?
Oh, if I tell you wetin they do me.
Wetin dey? I say wetin I say if you tell me.
Na my father.
He don die.
He no die. I wish na die so I no go cry.
I was say that your father is a useless man.
I wish I feel my pray where he go now may die for there.
Oh, not too much.
Na money where he give me. He give me 20,000 naira. Because I pay the money. Landlord call and say may pay him house rent.
You go come give the landlord the money now.
As he wan comot, he come give me the money make I hold. If the landlord come, make I give am the money.
The landlord come die.
The landlord no die.
And wetin come happen? Why you dey cry?
As he give me the money, he comot. My phone go off. Now I go say make I go this bed, Naija where this our phone.
Make
I block my phone. Na there I dey o. Now one man dey shout, hey, this odd short, this one na short odd o, this one na short odd o. If you put 20k, you go get 40k o. Now I put all the 20,000 naira o.
You come, you stop am.
Think say you dey wise.
Game call too. The 20,000 naira go.
But wetin why you go
The landlord come now say make I give her money. I tell her say my father no drop money o.
Wetin come make you dey cry?
I want to pay the money now. I don't know what I want to tell my father now.
You said the record. Your father lie down. Just lie down. Hey! Hey, what's that?
No.
Hey! What's that? Hey! What's that? Yeah. Now first defend to
Jesus! Give the landlord the money.
Which money, Baba, we dey talk about. Leave her, no spirit. You don't die, ba. No wahala. Hey! Baba! You don't wake! My friend don't wake! My friend don't wake! You don't wake! Now your father! You don't die. You don't give landlord the money. Yes. Landlord don't die. 20,000. Landlord don't die. Landlord don't come. Where you go?
I won't call you.